I put ground meat into an ice cube tray. This trick has saved me so much time. Let me show you my go-to kitchen hack. Start by preparing about 500 grams, roughly 1 pound of ground meat, pork, beef, or a mix. Finely chop an onion and add it to the meat. Mince 1 clove of garlic and toss that in too. Add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to help bind the mixture. Crack in 1 egg, add a tablespoon of marjoram, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth, uniform mixture. Now, cut some cheddar or your favorite yellow cheese into small cubes. This will be the perfect melty center. Grab a silicone ice cube tray. Press a spoonful of meat into each compartment, then place a cube of cheese in the middle. Cover with another layer of meat and press gently to shape even portions. Cover the tray with plastic wrap and freeze. Whenever you're short on time, just pop out a portion, sear it in hot oil until browned on all sides, then add a bit of tomato sauce. Cover with a lid and simmer for 5 minutes. Done. A quick, delicious homemade meal, and that gooey, melted cheese inside is irresistible.